Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made my aloe vera juice and my aloe vera oil. If you want to see that, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so first things first, here is my aloe vera. I have two big plants that I am pretty much going to be cutting up to make into juice, my aloe vera juice and my aloe vera oil. So first thing first, you guys, I'm just cutting up my aloe vera in, small sizes, and then I'm going to cut the sides off because the sides are kind of spiky and it will cut you. So I'm pretty much just cutting the sides off, and yeah, once I'm done cutting the sides off, then I'll be back. Okay guys, so right now all I'm doing is cutting the top of the plant off, which is the green part, and I'm going to take out the middle part of the plant, which is the jelly stuff in the middle, and I'm going to put that into a bowl, and I'm pretty much going to put the green stuff to the side because we're going to use that later to make the oils. And I'm pretty much going to repeat this step and cut the top off and take the jelly out of the center of the plant, and I am using a spoon to scrape that out of that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so now that I'm done, I'm going to put all of it into a blender, and I'm pretty much going to blend it for about maybe 10 minutes to make sure that it's all blended up. And yeah, once I'm done blending it, I'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, so now that I am done blending it, I'm going to take me a little stocking cap that we pretty much use to do our ball cap, whatever, the little stocking cap. I'm going to put it over my cup, and I'm going to take the aloe vera that I blended in the blender, and I'm going to pour it into that stocking cap. And basically all I'm gonna do is squeeze that stocking cap to squeeze all that juice out. Look at all that juice, y'all. So we pretty much use the stocking cap just to catch all the gunky stuff that you pretty much don't want into your juice. So yeah, I'm gonna just continue to squeeze this stocking cap to get all the juice out of it. So here is the gunky stuff that you don't want into your juice, because if this stuff get on your hair, it's pretty much going to be flaky into your hair and stuff. So that's why we use that stocking cap, to juice it. So right now I'm going to put my aloe vera juice into a glass jug, and I'm going to pour the rest into a spray bottle, which I'll use maybe in another video to show you how I apply it to my hair. But yeah, I pretty much store the one that's in the glass jug in my refrigerator, and I use the other to spray on my hair. Okay guys, so let's move on. Right now we're going to make the aloe vera oil. So how I make the oil, I use these glass jugs that I purchased from like Walmart, and I pretty much take the skin of the aloe vera plant and I pretty much chop it up into small pieces into the jug. I try not to fill a jug up. I maybe fill a jug up halfway, and if I still have more plant left, I just pretty much use a second or third jar. But again, I don't fill it up no more than halfway. Okay guys, we're going to need some extra virgin olive oil to make our aloe vera oil, and I use about a half cup of extra virgin olive oil, and I pretty much pour it in the jug that I put the little small pieces of the plant, and I put that jug into some hot water, and I pretty much just let it steam the plant to make my oil. I know they have other ways that people may make it, like putting it into a skillet and putting it into olive oil and making the oils that way, but I prefer to steam mine to keep all the nutrients and whatnot into the oil. So I pretty much just steam mine, and once I steam it, I pretty much let it turn brown until, see how it turned brown, and once it turned brown, you pretty much know that it's done once the leaves start turning brown. But from this, I think I maybe left it on for another 10 or 20 minutes. Okay guys, so now that it's done, I'm going to take it out and set it to the side and pretty much let it cool off. And as you guys can see how brown the plant is now, that lets you know that it's done, it's complete. And I'm just going to let this sit to the side and let it cool off. Okay guys, now that it's cooled off, I have a strainer and a bowl, and I'm gonna put my strainer on top of the bowl, so when I put the oil into the strainer, that the oil would drain into the bowl. And yeah, I'm just gonna put all the jugs that I have into the strainer, and I pretty much let this sit into this strainer in this bowl overnight to make sure all the oil drained into the bowl, because I had done it before and I didn't get all the oil out. So I just pretty much let it sit overnight to let it drain all the oil completely out of it. Okay guys, now that I let this sit overnight, it has completely drained, and now I'm just going to put it into a glass jug and store it away for whenever I need it. So yeah, you guys, that's how I pretty much make my aloe vera juice and oil. Definitely let me know down in the comment section how you liked how I made my aloe vera juice and oil. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.